Kung plano mong gumawa ng ghost project sa Baguio City, utang na loob mong subukan because Baguio City is actively pushing to implement blockchain technology. If first time mo matuto ng modern finance, my name is Tony. This is not a financial advice. This is purely education. Save it and share it. Sa mga first time marinig ang topic na to, go to my recent post and explain ko dyan how blockchain works. So going back in 2024, personal na bumisita si Mayor Magalong sa event namin called Bull or Bear as a keynote speaker. And sabi niya, Baguio City will become the smart city by the year 2027. Meaning, they will adopt blockchain to make the government transparent at para wala ng korupsyon sa anumang project sa city. Gamit ang artificial intelligence and data analytics. Pero bago pa man pinasa ni Senator Bam Aquino ang bill, 5 years na namin itong pinag-uusapan sa community. At ang tawag sa education platform na yan, Pitskwela. Umiikot kami sa mga universities, private sectors, and even LGUs to hold this kind of events. And galing na kami sa Maynila, sa La Union, sa Baguio City, Cagayan de Oro, and Davao City. To be honest, representatives lang talaga pumupunta. Pero ito, Mayor Magalong showed up. Personal na pera ang ginagastos namin to go around the Philippines just to educate Filipinos about blockchain technology. Kaya kung tingin mo this education campaign is needed sa local mo, comment your city, share this to your mayor, kami mismo nga hanap ng paraan to get into your place.